Hey guys, today we are going to talk about the progressive tense verbs, past, present, and future progressive. Progressive verb tenses show continuing action. So think of progress, things that continue happening. Progressive verb tenses show continuing action. With our verb tenses, we have present progressive, past progressive, and future progressive. And our present progressive uses the helping verb am, is, or are, and then the participle form with ing. So I am studying. There's our helping verb am, studying. That's present progressive. It's happening right now. The past progressive form of the verb includes the helping verb was or were. Those are past tenses of the helping verb. And then again, the present participle form of the ing. So she was studying for the test. That is the past progressive. ing, so progressive form, and the helping verb was shows you that it was past progressive. Then we also have future progressive tense. It consists of the helping verbs will be, and again, the present participle form, ing. They will be celebrating after they ace the test. Will be celebrating is future progressive. So to recap, progressive verb tenses end with the present participle form of the verb. So look for the ing. And then they use either a past, present, or future form of the helping verb.